Welcome to Rainier Ridge, a sophisticated new home community located at the south side of Salem, Oregon. This thoughtfully planned 35-home community features large home sites surrounded by rural amenities, which makes it a great choice for families who want that out-of-town feel while still being close to major freeways for big city conveniences. Heading inside, you'll discover light and bright interiors and open, inviting layouts. Fowler Homes is offering their signature Willamette Selections Options, which outfits these new homes with the most desired features and upgrades available. In this community, you'll find a diverse collection of modern, innovative, and evolving designs, including gorgeous gourmet kitchens. You can relax and unwind in the spacious master suites, complete with spa-like master baths with fine finishes. Fowler Homes is dedicated to building quality, green-built homes that are well-engineered for energy efficiency, designed to last longer, and are sustainably built using resources wisely, including water and land. And there's plenty of room for gardening or entertaining in the beautifully landscaped yards. Visit us over at Rainier Ridge, where we believe your Fowler-built home will exceed your expectations and be your home for living. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact the team with Premier Property Group at 503-778-0100.